Welcome back. Goa, Rakhan, Manch and Konkani Basha Mandal have demanded to digitize ration cards in Konkani language. They presented a memorandum to the Directorate of Official Language, Civil Supplies Department and Goa Electronic Limited. The students said Konkani is the official language of Goa and hence ration cards should be in Konkani language.
जेन्ना ही डिजिटायजेशन प्रोसेस जातलो ह्या रेशन कार्डाचो तो राजभास कायद्या प्रमाण जावचो तांचे रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन्स जशे फ्रेम केल्या आनी त्या भाशेंतल्यान जावचो जी भाशा लोकांक कळटा आनी रेशन कार्ड जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा तेन्ना रेशन कार्ड हे डे टू डे गरज सामान्य मनशाची डे टू डे गरज आनी जर ह्या रेशन कार्डार कितें बरयलां तेंच जर लोकांक कळचें ना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ही लोकांची गैरसोयी जातली. गोवा राखण मंच जे पयलींचे गेट वेल सून आनी आतांचे गोवा राखण मंच कोंकणी विद्यार्थी संघटना ह्या दोनी संघटनेनी मेळून आज सिव्हिल सप्लाय डिपार्टमेंट तशेंच ऑफिशियल लँग्वेज डिपार्टमेंट जेल गोवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड हांकां आमी निवेदन सादर केलां.
गोंयकाराची भास आनी कायद्यान ती राजभास आसा म्हणून कोंकणी ही रेशन कार्डांनी येवपाकूच जाय.
Goa government is in the process to release 11 life sentence prisoners jailed in the central jail at Aguada. Government has taken the decision to release these prisoners on the compassionate ground. Domingo de Costa, convicted for murder, will be released after serving jail term for 26 years and 6 months.
11 murder convicts who were serving life sentence in central jail at Aguada will be set free after completing documentary formalities. State government decided to release them on the basis of a recommendation received by the State Sentence Review Board. The State Sentence Review Board has selected these prisoners on the basis of their good conduct in the jail and had filed the recommendation letter to the government on 26th October last year. Domingo de Costa will be released after serving jail term of 26 years and 6 months, while Suresh Nair will be released after serving jail term of 14 years and 7 months. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Additional Judge of Sessions Court Margaon has reserved the order on Chogale matter for 26 July. The matter of Chogale High Secondary was taken up for arguments on Tuesday. The applicant college argued on the intervener's affidavit. The applicant pointed out the illegalities in the order of the South Goa collector. Court has earlier ordered a status quo on the joint meeting fixed by the collector to resolve the issue.
The matter was called out and it was fixed for arguments. Thereafter, the interveners also filed their affidavit in rejoinder. Thereafter, the matter was taken up for arguments. First, the applicants argued, that is, I argued the matter, pointing out all the illegalities and perversities in the order of the collector. And the public prosecutor also advanced his arguments. And he has supported the order, saying that it was a need of the hour at that particular time to pass such an order. The advocate for intervener also argued and pointed out that how their interest is involved in the matter. And after hearing the arguments, the matter is posted for orders on 26th of this month at 2:30.
Chogale High Secondary students are boggled due to sudden change in timings. Teachers are irked with the shifting of staff room. They claimed that this is a torture tactic of the management, while students demanded removal of the principal. South Goa collector had fixed a joint meeting to resolve all these issues, but Chogale management got a stay order on this scheduled meet. Now, the next hearing on this issue is posted to 26th July. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.